Walter Ogrod, at a young age, was convicted of a crime he didn't commit, and as a result, he was not only got a life sentence, he was sentenced to death row. 28 years in prison. He was locked down basically 23 hours a day. He had no interaction with population. And through that process, Walter persevered to try to fight for his innocence. The experience has taken a mental and physical toll on Walter. He now has come back into the world, and he is 55 years old, and he has nothing.
Every day just feels like the weight is going more, and it's just relief. But it's going to be a long, long process. I met people who got out years before I did, and they're still going through the process.
There's many instances of police misconduct, but a lot of times in these investigations, the confession of either the defendant or a key witness is coerced by the police. And the police really do it for their own gain. And they do it to a point where the person will sign off on a confession that is written out by a police officer, and that police officer will go into court and testify. And you see that in many instances, in many cases, throughout this investigation that's going on with bad police in Philadelphia.
It was April '92, two detectives came to the house, and they start all this about a little girl, don't you want to help, all this pleading, and I said, okay. But they guys me into the interrogation room. They start asking me questions, what's going on, you know, what I knew about it. You're hiding it, you don't want to remember it, and we're going to help you remember if it takes all night, no matter what we got to do. Taking me in my hand, leading me like, you went this way. Now, in your own words, you got to tell me so I can put it down. I'm going all over the place. He's getting mad, he's hitting my hand on the damn thing.
You know, I took an oath when I became a lawyer, and I wanted to fight for justice for people that are being aggrieved either by the law or not treated fairly. Wrongful conviction cases speak volumes of individuals who are accused by our system for the wrong reasons, are mistreated, and basically taking their life away. The city's responsible, and that's what Walter's civil rights case is basically about, is holding the city accountable for what they did for Walter and what these police officers did for Walter. The Marrone Law Firm is working hard, has assembled a team of superior and talented attorneys to work on these cases tirelessly and help them get justice, not only through exoneration, but through the damages they're entitled for everything that they have suffered while being incarcerated, so that we try to get them something for what they have lost. That's what the Marrone Law Firm does.